Mark again, RPM Tesla. Today we're going to put on a Model 3 luggage paint protection film piece. This is a nice long skinny piece that fits right here outside your trunk. So when you open your trunk and someone drags luggage out or something and it hits the bumper, it's not going to scratch it. It's a great simple design, very easy to self-install. It does not go over any of the backup parking sensors. And we're going to show you how this thing goes on. It takes about 30 seconds. All right, here we go. So we give you a squeegee, we give you the 3M Scotch Guard film, and we also recommend you get some alcohol, isopropanol rubbing alcohol. 70% water, 30% alcohol is a good solution. That'll allow you a little bit of time to install this, get your hands wet so you don't get fingerprints coming through, and just simply get everything wet. Spray the bumper, spray the part. We recommend you peel half of it back, get it wet, peel the other half off. And doing this indoors is best, but we're doing it outside here for better exposure. Okay, so the back is wet, it can't stick to itself, and the front's wet. So you can see we've got about a 4-foot piece here. The curves match up perfectly. Everything matches up perfectly. So with the bumper wet, just simply put it on. Make sure everything is wet. And you can slide it around and position it right where you want it. So you see how it moves back and forth. And follow the trunk line down here, the curve on both sides. It's designed to give you complete protection for the luggage area. It's going to sit right on this edge, and it's going to go right up there. Here comes the FedEx. All right, so we're going to start with this side. We're going to put it right up on this lip. See right up here, it's going to sit like this. So that body line there coming around is a good spot to start. I'm going to pull the rest of it up, get it wet again. And then we're going to squeegee it down, and we're going to start on the left side. So with this in that spot, just squeegee the water out. This is going to be our anchoring position, or our starting position. And you can see it is invisible paint protection. It comes right down here. Only with the sun or the shade hitting it on the right angle, it's going to show you exactly where it starts and stops. So that's the best part about invisible paint protection. Now, with it in this hand, I'm going to take it down this way, and I'm watching the line to make sure I'm inside the trunk compartment slightly, and just laying it down, giving it a little stretch as I go, and just lift it back up. If it dries out on you, squirt it down. Don't worry about it. And all the way to this side. Okay, so now we can see that I've got it up inside the trunk lid slightly, and I'm pulling it down in the middle. So I want this to come all the way down to here. So I've got good coverage of anything that hits it vertically. Now I'm going to squeegee some water out and see if I like the position of it. Squeegeeing up to release the alcohol water solution. And I like this. I think this is nice and consistent all the way across the halfway point. So at this point, I'd say I'm halfway done. Just push the water pockets out, squeegee it down, and we're all the way to the trunk midsection, okay? Invisible paint protection. This is the best stuff in the world to keep your brand new car looking awesome. Now I've pulled this up, and again, once again, I'm watching the line, and I'm placing it down, making sure I'm all the way down on the bumper. So I go slightly below the line here, and then back up above the parking sensor, the way it's designed, and place it right down here. That is awesome. This is not a complicated piece. Big bumper pieces are very complicated and not easy to install. We wanted to introduce this one because this is what counts. The luggage compartment or the trunk exiting area. Only about 4 inches wide, but this will be bulletproof. And squeegee the water down, and look at it grab. With this alcohol solution, it grabs real nice. So now I'm over on this section. So let's say you did something and you didn't like it. Just get it wet and pull it up. I mean, it's that easy. This stuff is amazing. Guys get paid a lot of money to put this on, but I'm telling you, a lot of the small parts are really simple. So notice my trunk line. I'm going right along that edge, right there, and wrapping it straight up. So once I establish that I'm inside. So anything comes down vertical on this area from here to here, we're gonna be covered. All right, squeegee, push that corner down. Invisible paint protection. Again, this is made out of 3M Scotch Guard Pro, 10-year warranty. If it yellows, if it fades, if anything goes wrong with it, it's guaranteed. This will last longer than you'll own the car. And it looks perfect on this white, pearl white paint. I'm gonna wipe it down. This took about 2 minutes to install it. This is my first one. I've never installed one of these on a Model 3 before, only on an S. But look at that, we got great coverage. People always say, you know, why do you want to put a piece there? Well, trust me, kids drag things out of the trunk like scooters, bikes, anything, and they don't think about what's going to hit when they slide it out over the trunk lip and it drags across the bumper. So this bumper luggage guard, as we call it, is perfect. I don't see any lint, I don't see any discoloration, I don't see anything but maybe little water pockets that will dry out. This will dry and look completely invisible. Paint protection products. Also at our shop in Orange County, we do full clear bra installations for all Teslas and only Teslas. So if you want an experienced company to put a clear bra package on your car, we charge about 30% less than the competition. All right, thanks again, Mark, RPM Tesla. Look at that bumper. It's protected.